Big up everybody who check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, the people are blast the Prime Minister for what they're saying is a 3-card style, saying that all roads in Jamaica would be fixed. We're not just patch the road, them a patch. The people must say, them feel like they have been tricked by the administration. If you believe this is proof that you are planning to vote for another party, type the party where you plan to vote for. Type PMP you plan to vote for the opposition and JLP you plan to vote for the Labour Party. Now, another prominent JLP MP has also resigned. Look and listen.
Road patch. Yeah. Oh, you use the right term. It's patched. It's not fixed. Right? So ask the Prime Minister when is the permanent work going to be done.
What kind of issues are having now with the patch?
Oh, I need 2 linkages for my tire right now because of this work because I work at IGL.
He was recommending Mr. Lewis, who he has worked with for some time. I gather he got a unanimous endorsement at the meeting. The gentleman have not only a knowledge of the consensus, but the people in the consensus know him well, and he holds the respect of the population as part of the administration. They did a good job, so it was a good recommendation. The party won't have any problem in examining this in a positive light. Mr. Hutchison has been involved in politics since 1976 and elected 1980. So he has served except for one term when he didn't run. That would be near 40 years in Parliament and now roughly 48 in public life. And we had indicated clearly he would not seek to contest the next election, personal reasons, and I had a good discussion with him. And he wanted to make the transition smooth, so he actually convened his entire party working team and indicated to them that he would not contest the next election. In the meantime, the Hutch will continue to represent the constituency until the election is called, and he will be very actively involved in the re-election campaign. We want to thank him for the quality of service to the party.
Now, tell me what you think. It seems as if the people in St. Elizabeth, who made their point very clear to the Prime Minister, saying that if the MP is not somebody else, them not vote for him. Them say them still want them party to win, but it not gonna be with for them vote because them not vote if them never get a new MP. Now that MP has decided to resign. That MP has decided that resigning would be the best option. Now as it pertains to the roads, we did wonder what really go on. We'd say the contract signing was televised, highly publicized, and the people that say when the work will start, because there's no parish on the Jamaican island we don't need road. Now the thing is, the people are say the government said them are gonna fix all the road them, but I just patch. Them say them a patch the road them. And we have a question we want to ask roadworks or whoever is dealing with this road. Nobody have a level. Nobody have a level for when them patch the road them, they make sure say it even with the rest of the road surface. Why is it that so hard to do? When we see them are the roadworks in Canada, you have seen them fix whole heap of kilometers of road in a day. All this talk of Jamaica becoming a republic and them can't even maintain roads. While in recent months, when we see video footage and we see them are maintain the highways, a Jamaican workers we see with machinery we seem to be already on the island. So how them can keep the paid highways leveled to an extent, but them can't do it for the main road them. What really I want? The people also say, is this the island-wide road management thing what them talk about, what them talk about? Or the island-wide fixing of the roads? Or if this is the Spark program, or this is another program? That's the thing what the people don't understand. We keep hearing of multiple programs for fix road and deal with road. But the people them can't get no good road. We see contract signed with big international company for deal with road. We hear say program run for what's the Spark program for deal with road. We hear say MP and some people get money for deal with road. All know the people them can't get the road that them promise. And you know say decades now, Jamaican people ask for good road. A sign say the government seem to not be on the same page as the people. Because see now, when tabloids talk to motorists, this is motorist reaction. It's like them expect one thing or they were told one thing. But then another that they must say. And as I say, I keep on I wonder why when them patch the road them, then they make the road them level. Me I wonder why they not think about these things. Yet still the state say they are for the people. All you have to say to the people is whichever party you feel like say would be best to lead the country. Well, at a party they want to vote for. But if you also feel like say yo during the first term the party not do what them supposed to do, and them start say them need more time and them need more this and them need more that, don't hesitate to change them for another party again. Only then will elected officials learn. Say, watch you know? So after the people them elect you, and you say you're going to do what the people them ask you to do, make sure you do it. Because if I tell the people them say you're going to need some more time, you're going to need a next term, one of them days there. If your councillor, your MP, tell you say them going to do one thing in your community, and then become the councillor and the MP, and them not do it, get a next councillor and next MP. Or the only way councillors and MPs will learn. So the people them serious. And when the people them elect you, do what it is that they say you did like do. Don't make the people them promises you don't feel like say yo, you plan to fulfill I know you can do. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Of course, what we hear the ruling party and the government is saying is that the opposition is making promises where they don't believe say the opposition can fulfill to the people. Recently, when Mr. Campbell said what him say, some people believe say, you know, misinterpretation go on, and you know, what was said wasn't said clearly. And we see him in other interviews when him clear up what him did I say. But as I said, talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Share the video. Drop your comment in the comment section. As I'm say, comment which party you plan to vote for. JLP if you plan to vote for the JLP. PMP if you plan to vote for the PMP. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, want to live, love, and prosper, and want to stay tuned.